Oh yeah, we're making Mai Tais. Boom. Hey, welcome back to Liquid Playground. I'm your host, Adam Berardi. I've been a bartender for a very, very long time, and today I'm gonna make a drink that's everybody's favorite. Maybe you've had it if you've been on vacation to an all-inclusive, perhaps in Hawaii. That's right, we're making Mai Tais today. So, when Mai Tais were first invented, they were invented by Bergeron for a chain of hotels, and they build them as a tantalizing tourist concoction. Back then, they made them with a lot of French liqueurs like orgeat and orange triple sec. It was called orange curacao. We don't make it that way anymore. After about a decade of being in Hawaii, they've changed the recipe drastically to include pineapple juice and a few other ingredients that they thought tourists would like better. And still to this day, we still make them the same way. So we're gonna get started right now. It's a really fun drink. Let's get after it. So first, we're gonna need a white rum. As you know, for me, the best white rum that I can think of is, you guessed it, Berardi white. I just like it. It's easy, it goes with everything, and everybody knows what it is. So we're gonna use our jigger, and we're just gonna pour just an ounce of Berardi white into the bottom of this glass here, building over ice, as always. Next, they used to use an orange curacao, which is just pretty much triple sec. But I like Grand Marnier, and I bought this whole damn bottle, and I'm gonna go through it. As God is my witness, I'm gonna go through it. So we're gonna use a half an ounce of triple sec, orange curacao, Grand Marnier, whatever you want. I like Grand Marnier a lot, so sue me. So I'm gonna put that in the bottom. Now we have our two ingredients. We have our rum, we have our Grand Marnier, right? Stop me if I'm going too fast. Our next two ingredients are the juices. Here we go. Excuse me, I work late nights, if you don't know that. I get up in the morning and I do these for you guys, so sometimes I'm a little hoarse. And we're gonna do equal parts of pineapple and orange in here. So we're gonna do pineapple first. Ooh, we're gonna do some orange. Ooh, that looks good. No need to stir, guys, no need to stir. Excuse me. Just a little gruff. Next, cherry juice. No more of that orgeat. We use cherry juice to sweeten things here. If you're at a bar or at home and you don't have cherries or cherry juice, you can always use grenadine. Grenadine is actually a pomegranate syrup, but I mean, for all intents and purposes and what we get inside bars and restaurants now, it's artificial pomegranate flavoring at best, and then it's just pretty much just simple syrup. It's just sugar water with some preservatives. So cherry juice can be just as good, and I'm gonna pour it right in the side here. And it should sink to the bottom. And it does, look at that. So now we have some nice layers here, some nice layering. We got some cherry juice. We got the pineapple and the orange. The orange will be a little bit lower than the pineapple, and it's rising up there. And our last ingredient that we need is we need a dark rum. So we're gonna go ahead and pour some dark rum on the top. Now, again, it's wherever you work or wherever the law says where you work or your bar manager says. If you're at home, you can pour as much as you want. I prefer pouring a half an ounce over the top for a float. Again, some people pour an ounce. It just depends where you are. Dark rum can overpower a drink, the smell of a drink especially. So I like to use just a half an ounce. I'm gonna pour a half an ounce into this jigger. All right, and we're gonna pour it over the top, making a nice mess. There we go, nice mess over the top. Now you have a nice float of dark rum, and we're almost there, guys. So all we need to do now is garnish. Now, when I garnish my drinks, I have pineapple, which is what we're using. I like to get a couple of the pineapple leaves and put them in the side of the glass. You don't have to. You don't have to do it. I like to do it for my guests, if we have them. And I'll usually cut them so that there's no like brown edges, so they look really pretty. And then we just take a pineapple slice, and I'll say it a million times, if you're at a restaurant or a bar, please use picks or tongs. For me, I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this on the side because it's for me. And there we go, guys. We have a perfect Mai Tai right here for your consumption. It looks gorgeous. If you're at a party somewhere, or you're having a party at your house and you decide to make a drink for your friends, this is one that's just guaranteed to impress. You can't get any better than a Mai Tai. It's fruity, it's light, it reminds you of Hawaii. It's just a beautiful drink to make. And again, I'm going to taste it right now because I love Mai Tai. So here we go. Ooh. Oh my God. Does that smell perfect? Oh, get out of town. That is the best Mai Tai. That is a good Mai Tai. That is an amazing Mai Tai. People are gonna love you for making this. You're working in a bar. You're working at a bar. Someone says, make me a drink I've never had before, especially a young person. You're like, I'm gonna make you a Mai Tai. That's how you make a Mai Tai right there. That's it. That's how you wanna do it. They're gonna love you for it. You're gonna get big tips. You're working at a bar. You're having a party at home. You're gonna get the accolades and admiration of all your friends and family. It's a Mai Tai, guys, and it's beautiful. So, I wanna say, guys, thanks for watching today. Don't forget to tip your bartenders and servers. They work hard, so you don't have to. And if you like what you saw today, please do me a favor. Hit the like button, smash that subscribe, share with your friends and family. Until next time, guys, bye. Busy, you want some Mai Tai? It's Mai Tai. Mai Tai, Mai Tai, Mai Tai.